The most powerful explosion in the universe isn't a supernova. It's something called a gamma ray burst. Gamma ray bursts happen when a massive star collapses, or when two neutron stars collide. In just a few seconds they release more energy than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. Instead of exploding in all directions, this energy is fired out as two narrow beams moving at almost the speed of light. That's important, because if one of those beams points at you, a gamma ray burst hitting Earth from anywhere in our galaxy could strip away the ozone layer, expose the surface to deadly radiation, and collapse ecosystems without touching the planet physically. Scientists believe a past gamma ray burst may have caused one of Earth's mass extinctions hundreds of millions of years ago. They're rare, they're random, and they're invisible until it's already too late.